Hi, I'm Sean James, celebrity stylist and Number 4 ambassador. Here we are at the Number 4 studios. I'm going to take you through some of the looks and show you some of the product line. I worked with many celebrities over the years. Lindsay Lohan, Paris Hilton, Jamie Lee Curtis, you name it, I've worked with them. I've traveled all over the world. I've worked in Paris, London, New York, and Los Angeles. So here we go. So here we are with Brittany. She's one of my favorite models. I actually do her color. What we began with is the L'Eau de Mer hydrating shampoo. And this forms a great foundation for the hair. It moisturizes and cleanses the hair at the same time. I used two shampoos. So the first one actually attaches itself to any oil or foreign debris that might be in the hair. The second shampoo removes it. The reason we do that is this adds a lot more moisture to the hair. I want to let you know that it's also 100% gluten-free, paraben-free, sodium chloride-free, and sulfate-free, which is all great. What happens for you when you're using all of that, it's actually absorbed into your bloodstream. So we don't want that. We don't want all that extra toxins. Now, what I'm going to do is, even though the hair's been dried, it's still a little bit tangly because I've not used any conditioner. And so I'm going to use the Super Comb Prep and Protect here. And I'm just going to spray a little bit through here. And you'll see how easy this detangles. Just pop it through there. And so I'll show you through here. You just go start from the ends. And this is nice and gentle on the hair as well. And what this is doing is closing the cuticle. So think of your hair like a pine cone. When you've shampooed it, it's opened, wide open. And now the Super Comb Prep and Protect closes the pine cone. So it leaves a nice surface. And you'll notice on this side, without it, it's a lot more tangly. It's harder to get through. It's a bit, how's that feel? Not good, right? So that's what you want to do. And then you can blow dry that into the hair. And you see you get a nice, non-frizzy, flexible hold, which will last all day for you. Welcome to the Number 4 studios. I'm going to take you through the Thermal Styling Protect and how to use it. Now, why I love this product is its great flexibility and its hold all day. I use this on Jamie Presley when she's got red carpet events, and it really takes away that frizziness and flyaway, especially for bleached hair. So I just spray a little bit on and go through with my flat iron. You can use this on towel dried hair too, and just use your blow dryer and take it through like that. But just spray a little bit at a time, and this will protect the follicle from getting singed and burnt. Now remember, all the Number 4 products are gluten-free, anti-aging, color protectant, vegan, paraben-free, gluten-free, and sodium chloride-free. So I just run it through like that. Take a little section. It's always good to have a clip. And just take it right through. So this is great for a red carpet or a special event, or if you've got somewhere you need to go and you want to make sure that you don't get any humidity in your hair. This has anti-humectant qualities, which will prevent frizzing. And look at that beautiful shine. Now, even on the most fried of blonde hair, not that your hair's fried, but even on the most fried of blonde hair, you'll be able to use this and get movie star quality. Hey Brittany, you'll be able to use this at home and get beautiful movie star quality hair. Look at that, shine, no frizz, nice sleek look. Even when I shake it up, it still falls into a beautiful lay. Okay. Okay, now you can see on this side of Brittany's hair is where I've used the number 4 products. Now I'm going to take a little experiment and show you what happens without the number 4 products. Oh, sorry, I don't mean to pull your hair. It's a little bit more tangly, that's for sure. Now, even as I flat iron this, and it's quite hard to break through. I don't want to damage your hair. I actually do Brittany's hair, so I don't want to ruin it. But even you can see I'm flat ironing it. We're still not getting that same shine or that same result, and it still looks kind of puffy. I'm going to show you my secret weapon to finish off Brittany's hair. Florio 5 Elixir. Now you just use a couple of drops, tiny little bit. Put it in your palm, rub it in like that. It's going to seem very shiny, and you just use it through the ends like this. Quickly through the ends. And see, that's going to bring up the shine. I don't like to put it on the roots because your scalp has all these natural oils. So I just put it through the mid-lengths and the ends. And this gives a little bit of separation and shine. And that's the finished look. So you get that great supermodel look. Now, even though I haven't used any prep or protect on this side, I could just go in with the Florio 5 Elixir and smooth it all out like this. And this is going to help bring up that shine. And so you get a nice finished look. And so I use the Florio 5 Elixir just to give that extra shine. So I'd like to show you my final thing that I love to do on all my celebrity clients. I use the Mighty Spray. This is great because it gives a nice flexible firm hold. And what you can do is direct the hair where you want it to be. See, just direct it over there. You get that nice movement in the hair. It has a nice flexible hold. 100% vegan, gluten-free, paraben-free, and no water. So you get that great anti-humectant hold. And that's it. That's our finished look. Welcome to the Number 4 Studios. So I'm going to take you through a bit of a Kim Kardashian kind of style look. Whenever I've done Kim's hair in the past, I always use the Number 4 products. What I start off with is the blow dry lotion. So I prep the hair with a pump or two of this. Now blend it through the palms of your hands and just drag it through the hair. Now this helps with your blow dry. Add flexible shine and control, so it takes away the frizz. Remember, it's 100% vegan, so it's not going to go into your skin and pollute your body. So I put it in just like that, and I grab my blow dryer. And I don't even need to use a brush with this. It's going to take away and tame and control all that frizz. The great thing about Number 4 products is you can layer them and create cocktails of your own. So what I use is a Super Comb and Protect. This protects the hair from any thermal styling. And you can blow dry that in. So that's creating a great cocktail in the hair. And I'm just smoothing that in. Even that alone, you see you get this great sheen on the hair. Using tension is really important. There are a few ways to change the hair's form. Chemically, with water, and with heat. When you change it with heat, you want to use a little bit of tension. Let it cool just like you would a hot roller, and leave it in its nice form. So next I'm going to take my 1-inch barrel curling iron and wind the hair back. I'm taking vertical sections. I put the heat in there with the number 4 heat and protect. I'm not concerned so much about the ends. So grouping all the hair together, making sure the ends kind of wind up through the end, through the hot iron. Let the heat transfer through the hair. You can feel when it gets too hot to touch, take it off. You'll see a little steam. That's not smoke, that's just a little steam, moisture coming out of the hair. So these vertical sections, to create the look, are going to help you. Winding them back is really quite important to the look. When you wind it all forward, you'll see if I was to brush it out, it'd all frame the face too much. So we want this great movement away from the face. So just form these little sausage-like sections. You can use clips or bobby pins and pin the hair up if you like. I find when I've got 2 hands above the hair, I have a lot more control. When you're doing this yourself, it's a little harder. So see, notice I'm just testing the hair. When I feel the heat transfer, that's when I know it's ready. So look, I've formed these great sausages of hair. Now you let it cool a little bit, and then you can use your mighty hairspray, because it's a brush-outable spray, and this gives a nice hold to the hair. Now what I'm going to do is brush it out. You can see you get this nice bouncy wave. It's very reminiscent of a 40s look. Just direct this away from the eye there, so you get that nice Kim K bang that she always has. And there you go. Now her kind of signature is she pulls one side back. She gets that nice thing. You can clip that back there. Or you can just spray with your mighty hairspray and get a nice flexible hold. Remember, there's no moisture in this spray, no water at all. So you get this great dry anti-humidity spray. And I finish it off with that. Just get all the little flyaways away. And there you go. So there you are with the Kim K look. If you want to take it one step further, I want to show you my secret formula. It gives that red carpet sheen to the hair. It's my special formula, Fluorio Elixir 5. And the great thing about the number 4 products is their mixability. You can layer them together and they all work well. So I use one little drop, put it in the palms of my hands, and I make sure I spread it evenly so I don't get one clump in one area, and then quickly kind of drag it over the top, and you'll notice how shiny that gets. Now it's great for these great waves that I've just created, and you really work it through. Now this isn't disturbing any of the hair whatsoever. You'll see it just bounces straight back in and you get that beautiful sheen. Now it's great for if you've pulled your hair back. This is great for an updo or a ponytail, a really nice slick ponytail. You can just pull it back like that and brush it in. Remember, these all have anti-humectant qualities in them, so you can be out on the red carpet in the rain if you like. And this is a great look, down or pulled back. It's all about those Kim K bangs. Okay, you can pull it off to one side. There's lots of different looks you can do. So welcome back. I want to talk about the durability of number 4 products. It's both for men and women. And I want to show you what we can actually do on a men's look. This is Randall, and his hair is normal, you know, it's highlighted. We've used the Lotion hydrating shampoo on him just to give a little moisture into those highlighted ends. And what I'm going to do is give him a little volume and just make his hair a little like nerd punk, that kind of look. And so we just get a little volume in here. I used a little of the blow dry lotion, and I don't want it to look too styled. So I'm going to use the texture styling cream. I just use a tiny little bit more than a quarter, but a little bit less than a quarter actually. I smooth it in the palms of my hands so I get a nice even distribution, and just rub it through the hair. Now I get this nice rockabilly kind of punk look. You can use this on many different styles. The great thing about this product is its flexibility and pliability. So you can kind of mold and shape. This is great for long hair as well. So if you have a long hair kind of guy with, you know, just too many flyaways, moving around too much, you can slick it all back. I can even use this in my hair and get some kind of finished look. You can dress short or long hair with this. I'll tell you what, my favorite thing to use this, favorite person to use this on is Jamie Lee Curtis. And I've used it on her for a long time. All those Activia commercials, I use number 4. The great thing to end this look off is a flexible spray with the Mighty Spray. It has no moisture in it, so it's not going to make it too wet feeling. It'll just give you a nice flexible look. And there you go. There's your final rockabilly punk look. As a hairstylist, I've always got my hands in water. You'd think that it'd keep them moist, but it actually dries them out. So what I like to use is the number 4 body lotion. I use this all over my hands and arms. You have a 1 cc pump, predetermined, and just rub it through the hands. It absorbs so fast. The great thing about it is its gardenia scent. It smells great. Look at that, absorbed and no stickiness whatsoever. It's great, you can put it all over your body. So I'd like to conclude with why I love number 4 products. Number 1, I can trust it. When I'm doing a celebrity's hair, when I'm sending them off to a red carpet event or premiere, I like them to look exactly how I left them. So with number 4, I can trust that with their anti-humectant qualities, it's going to look and stay the same. With its flexible hold, it's going to move how I want it to move. So I choose number 4 when I'm working with celebrities. And I like to share it with you. I hope you choose it too.